we do is design, we 3D print, we do electronics, we do robotics, we do coding, we do a little bit of everything.
My freshmen currently are working on robots that are it's something like similar to Rocket League. They're picking up different balls and trying to put them in goals against another team. We do take at least 2 field trips every year. That ranges from the Museum of Tolerance, the California Science Center with USC Tour, Poly Pomona, Whittier College, UCLA, SoFi Stadium, Dodger Stadium, and we take our seniors to celebrate them to Disney, all free of charge.
They always say, hey, I feel way ahead of all the other students in my classes because I dealt with Arduinos and ESP32s and all these things that they don't ever deal with.